Graco's Pulse Asset Fluid Metering System is designed to help facilities gain insight into where their fluids are being used. Before leaving the tank room or storage location, wake up the meter and sync it to the hub. This will ensure all previous dispenses have been uploaded and allow the meter the ability to make new dispenses. To do this, press the center button on the keypad, then navigate to Sync in the menu options and press the center button. The meter will display syncing, then synced once complete. To dispense, press the center button on the meter keypad to wake it up. Select Dispense on the menu screen. Scan your employee tag by briefly tapping it against the screen of the meter. Then scan the NFC tag registered to the asset you want to fill. Press Enter to activate the dispense. If the fluid and employee are approved to dispense, the screen will change to show 0.000, which means it is ready to dispense. Fill the asset with the required fluid. After filling, press the center button on the meter to end the dispense and lock the meter. The meter can record up to 40 dispenses before it needs to synchronize with the hub. When your fluid run is complete, upload your recent dispenses by syncing with the hub. To do this, wake up the meter when it is within signal range of the hub and navigate to Sync in the menu options and press the center button. The meter will display syncing, then synced once complete. To confirm the dispenses synchronized successfully, log into the Pulse web application and click on Reports. Seeing your recent dispenses confirms the upload was successful.